So guys, as you can see, oil, and today I'm going to show you how to make chicken, broccoli and creamy pasta. So once the oil is heated up, I'm going to add in my butter, but it's optional, but I do love always adding in it. You don't need to put that much. Let me just add a little bit more. So let's wait the butter to melt, then we can add in our onions. So you just need keep on stirring until when the oil is heated up. So now I'm going to add in my garlic, as you can see. When the garlic turns brown, then I can add in the onions. Next, I'm going to add in my chicken. As you can see, it's half cooked. Now let's add in our broccoli. Now I'm going to add in my cream. This is the brand which I'm using. Time to add in our pasta. As you can see, this is the pasta which I have. I'll be adding in my cheese. This is the brand which I do use. Let me just add in some black pepper also. And you're done. So guys, this is my final result. This is how creamy it is. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe and comment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.